Good morning, dear students of class 8. In this online class today, we are going to learn how to write a biosketch. Children, before learning how to write a biosketch, we must know what is a biography. A biography is simply an account of someone's life which is written by another person. A biography can be short, in the form of few sentences in a paragraph. And it can be long enough to fill an entire book. But children, at this stage, you are going to learn how to write a short biography. Now, usually biographies are written of famous personalities. Any person who has made name, fame, in any field, say for example, a political leader or a sports personality. But it can also be written about a common man or any personality that you admire. Now for you all, in the question itself, you would be given points about a person's life. Take for instance, the dates would be given about his birth, then his parents, his education, profession, any awards and achievements that a person has got in a particular field, any interesting fact about that person, and if the person is no more living, then about his year of death. Now, when writing a biography, children, you have to keep few points in mind. First of all, read carefully the question. You would find all the points, all the dates. They are already there, arranged in chronological order. What is chronological order? In the manner of his year-wise, about his life sketch, the points would be arranged. The dates would be arranged. It will be written in third person. Then what you have to do is you have to develop all these points which are already there in a paragraph. And not to forget, it should be written in a box. In a paragraph, there is a word limit. You have to keep in mind that word limit. Then, when you are writing, you have to keep in mind the expression, the language, the spellings, and always follow in writing coda. What is coda? First of all, collect information, which is already there in the question because the points are arranged in chronological order and they are also organized. You have to develop all these points in a sentence. Now, when you are writing your draft, the answer, that means you have to see that your answer is edited properly. So you have to revise and present your answer in an impressive manner, in neat handwriting, in a good presentation. Now let us work on a solved example first. The question is before you. Now it is a biosketch of the life of Mother Teresa. The dates are already given. Birth 27th August 1910. Real name Agnes Gonsha Buzanglu, 1928 joined convent in Ireland when she was 18 years old. Then in 1929, sent to Darjeeling, India. In 1931, began teaching at Kolkata Girls' School. 1948, left teaching to work among the poor slums in Kolkata. Then 1948, left teaching to work among the poor slums in Kolkata. 1950 to 1996, worked for the downtrodden, that is, sick and poor people. In 1979, awarded Nobel Peace Prize. Death 5th September 1997. Now just see the solved answer here. The answer is written in a box. On the top, the title is given, a biosketch of the person about whom you are writing. Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was born on 27th August 1910. Now just see, you have the point was given about her birth. That is, birth 27 August 1910. What you did was, you made a sentence. Her real name was Agnes Gontia Bozangliou. She joined a convent in Ireland in 1928. Then, when she was just 18 years old, all this information is already there in the question. She was sent to Darjeeling in India in the year 1929. In 1931, she began teaching at Kolkata Girls' School. Then, later in 1948, she left teaching to work among the poor slums in Kolkata. From 1950 to 1996, she worked for the downtrodden and sick people. For her sincere work, selfless service, and dedication, she was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in the year 1979. Then she left for her heavenly abode, or she died on 5th September 1997. So this is how a biosketch is written. The question has all the points arranged in chronological order about a person's life. What you have to do is, you have to develop all these dates in the form of a sentence in a small paragraph. So, writing a biosketch is so simple. Tomorrow, you are going to get an assignment based on questions about how to write a biosketch. Hope you have understood how to write a biosketch. Now you'll be working on some questions based on writing a biosketch. So thank you, children. If you have any queries, you can post these queries in the WhatsApp group and your queries are going to be solved. Thank you.